Hi, we're Maria and Bogdan, and we're passionate about Art Nouveau, especially forgotten artists who deserve recognition. You're likely familiar with Gustav Klimt or Alphonse Mucha, but have you heard of Joseph Urban or Heinrich Lefler? Once competitors of Klimt's secession group, their masterpieces have nearly faded from history. One of their most enchanting works is the Chronicle of the Three Sisters, a fairy tale by J.K.A. Museus. Published in 1899, this book was a massive success. In fact, it won a grand prize at the 1900 Paris Exposition Universelle for its stunning Art Nouveau illustrations. We're just like you, Art Nouveau lovers and artists who believe great art should never be forgotten. In the past, we've explored Romania's architectural wonders. We shared literary treasures from Latvia and Australia. Now, we're on a mission to bring the Chronicle of the Three Sisters back to life. Until now, the only edition has been in German and extremely rare, often found only at auctions. We intend to publish the first ever high-quality English edition translated by Dr. Arthur J. Cropley, focusing on preserving its beauty. I've restored the original illustrations, bringing back their vibrant colors and elegance. Bogdan created portraits of Urban and Lefler inspired by the original illustrations and wrote the postface to dive deeper into their legacy. But in order to bring this project to life, we need your help. By backing this campaign, you'll receive a copy of the Chronicle of the Three Sisters, along with exclusive rewards like limited edition prints and silkscreen illustrations. Together, we can revive this forgotten treasure and share the brilliance of Urban and Lefler with the world. Join us and ensure the Chronicle of the Three Sisters shines brightly for generations to come. Thank you for your support.